What is Java exception handling for debugging? Imagine you're trying to fix a broken appliance, but instead of just guessing what went wrong, you have a way to see exactly where the problem happened. That's what exception handling does in Java. When you write Java programs, errors can happen during runtime, like trying to open a file that isn't there or dividing by 0. Exception handling helps manage these errors smoothly. It's like having a safety net that catches problems before they cause your program to crash completely. In Java, when an error occurs, the Java virtual machine creates an exception object. This object contains details about what went wrong, like the type of error and where it happened in your code. The JVM then looks through the call stack, which is a list of all the methods that were called leading up to the error. If it finds a matching exception handler, it hands over control to it. If not, the program stops and prints a stack trace. That stack trace is a report showing the exact sequence of method calls when the error occurred, which is very helpful for debugging. Java uses try, catch, and finally blocks to handle exceptions. The try block contains code that might cause an error. If an error happens, the catch block catches the exception and lets you decide what to do next. For example, if your program tries to read a file that doesn't exist, the catch block can show a message like "file not found" instead of crashing. The finally block runs after try and catch, no matter what, and is often used to close files or releases resources. When an exception occurs, the normal flow of your program is interrupted. It jumps from the try block directly to the catch block that matches the exception type. This makes it easier to focus on fixing errors because you can isolate error handling from the main logic. You can also catch multiple types of exceptions in one catch block if they need similar handling. Plus, you can throw exceptions yourself using the throw keyword to signal specific error conditions, which helps in debugging and creating custom error messages. From a debugging point of view, exception handling is a powerful tool. It prevents your program from crashing unexpectedly and gives you detailed information about what went wrong. The exception object and the stack trace tell you exactly where the error happened and what caused it. This makes it easier to find bugs and fix them quickly. It also helps you write cleaner code by separating normal operations from error handling, making your program more reliable and easier to maintain. Mastering exception handling in Java is key to debugging effectively. It helps you catch errors early, understand their cause, and respond appropriately. This way, you can fix bugs faster and keep your applications running smoothly. Whether you're working on small projects or large systems, understanding how to handle exceptions properly makes your debugging process much more efficient and less frustrating.